The clamp is used to secure your blower's hard plastic blower tubes to the flexible tube. The clamp can be broken over time from hitting against other objects. It can be damaged if it is over-tightened. Replacing the clamp is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by loosening the clamp and removing the pivot tube. Now I'll remove the clamp from the hose. Now I can install the new clamp. I'll reinstall the pivot tube and secure the clamp into place. And that's how easy it is to replace the clamp on your backpack blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.